Hello, this is Anne-Marie DiGregoria's YouTube channel, and I had a request for a popcorn recipe that someone had of mine and they really liked, so she asked me to do a little quick video on it, so here I am. I love to make homemade popcorn. It's sort of a treat and a staple in this house, and my kids get excited about it. And so we make homemade popcorn, so I just figured I'd show you what I have here. Homemade popcorn, I have an air popper. I have organic popcorn, really important that it's not genetically modified or sprayed with any chemicals, so definitely organic. And then, as everybody makes fun of me, organic. And then some nutritional yeast as something to sprinkle on, and it adds a lot of nutrients, and it has like a cheesy taste to it, like it gives you like a cheesy flavor, so I find that really great. I use pink Himalayan salt because it adds, as I had said in my previous, actually the food craving video that hopefully you'll see in my channel, it adds 84 trace minerals, and that's really important for many functions in the body. And then of course a healthy fat, because healthy fat's really important to even slow down the digestion of carbohydrates, and so you want to have a healthy fat on any of your carbohydrates actually. So that's what I make, and I just wanted to show you that. And so we plug it in, and here we go. We're popping some popcorn. Put a little bit of coconut oil here at the top so that it melts nice. In the summertime you do not have to do that because we usually have liquid coconut oil, but it is fall. And voila, we have some popcorn. I just add a little bit, hot, it is hot, it is hot. I add a little coconut oil on this, hot, hot, hot. And then I add a little bit of nutritional yeast, and it adds a lot of B vitamins, nutritional yeast, so this is very yummy. And then a little bit of salt. And then what I do is I just mix it up, and that's it. And that's a little treat with a little extra healthy fat and some B vitamins and some trace minerals. So I hope that you will incorporate that into your world with your children, and thank you.